All right, in this one we're gonna solve a triangle. This one is gonna end up being a two-solution triangle, and I'll walk through how we can tell. Um, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started here. So first, our measurements given to us. We have side J is 35, side K is 30, angle K is 39. So if I were to sketch out this triangle, I always like to put the angle that I know down here in the bottom left, just for consistency's sake. Um, Making that opposite side 30 there for side K. And then I'm going to put angle J down there in the bottom right, putting side J over there, and then let's call this L there at the top. So yeah, this fits side, side, angle. Okay, so first requirement for a two triangle solution is met, and then the angle given to us is acute. So that's the second thing we check for. And then that side opposite the angle is less than the other side they give us. So K is less than J. And then I need to check for the height to see if the height is less than side K. Then if it is, then we'll have two solutions here. So for the height, I'm going to sketch in the height into our triangle to make a right triangle. All right, there we go. So then the height, I'm going to take sine of 39 degrees equals the height over the hypotenuse there of 35. Swing that 35 up in front, and I think I already have this on my calculator. Yep, 35 sine 39 is 22.02. Okay, so then the height is indeed less than K, which is less than J. So we have two solutions. And let's go ahead and start working through the first triangle. So based on the information I have side K and angle K, and then side J. So I'm going to find angle J. So I'm going to go sine of J over 35 is equal to sine of 39 over 30. Let's bring that 35 up to the numerator on the other side, and then we'll need to take sine inverse to get J by itself. So J is equal to sine inverse of 35 times sine 39 over 30. So sine inverse 35 sine 39, closing the parentheses around that 39. And then dividing by 30 gives us 47.24. Okay. So angle J is 47.24, and let's go ahead and keep that to two decimals there, the hundredths place. And then the next measurement I'm going to find is angle L up there at the top. To get angle L, I'm going to take away my two known angles from 180. So subtracting 47.24 and 39. 0.24 minus 39 is equal to 93.76. Okay, there's angle L. And then finally, side L will be L over sine 93.76 is equal to 30. That's side K over angle K, sine 39. Move up to sine 93.76, multiply that by the 30. So 30 sine 93.76, close the parentheses, divided by sine of 39. And side L is equal to 47.567, so that's going to be 0.57. All right, and there are the three solutions for triangle number one. So now to get to triangle number two, I'm going to go back to my drawing up here. And the angle that is opposite the second side they give us is the one that's going to be supplementary in our second triangle. Okay, the angle opposite of the side, the second side they give us. So they gave us side K and J. I'm calling angle, sorry, get my words mixed up. I'm calling side K the first side they gave us because that is opposite of our known angle. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm considering that first side. So we have that pair of angle K and side K. And we also have side J. All right, and so that makes angle J the one that is supplementary down here in our second triangle. Okay, so angle J, for angle J2, it's going to be 180 minus 47.24. 180 minus 47.24 gives us 132.76 degrees. And then now we are on our way to solving the second triangle. So the next angle L2 will be 180 minus that answer I just found, minus the original angle that they gave us of 39. So 180 minus 132.76 minus 39, 8.24 degrees for angle L2. And then now side L, L2, is going to be L2 over sine 8.24 is equal to, and now I can use that original ratio of K over sine K, so 30 over sine 39. Move up our sine 8.24. So I'm looking at 30 sine 8.24 divided by sine 39 gives me 6.83. Yep, 6.83. All right, so I'm just going to rewrite my names of these angles over here, so they're right next to my solutions, making that nice and easy for my teacher to find all those. And there you go. There's the two triangle problem using law of sines.